By investing $1,000 into Rocket Finance, you can make over $2,500 in just 10 days. So today, I will review this new Tomb fork, and in this video, you will learn everything you need to know about Rocket Finance and how they can offer this insane 3,645% ROI. Hang tight because I will reveal at the end if you should invest here or not. So in this video, I will cover what is Rocket Finance, how much you should expect to make, my professional review of this project, is it a scam, is it a good investment, should you invest in this project? AV here, and today I will analyze and rate Rocket Finance, a new Tomb fork on the Fantom network. Every day I share a new video on DeFi, and if you like this type of content, please subscribe to support the channel. Let's get into it. What is Rocket Finance? Rocket Finance is a pure copy of Tomb Finance on the Fantom network 2, meaning their code is a pure copy of Tomb. And it uses an algorithmic token named Rocket that is pegged to the price of Fantom 1-to-1. That's how it's possible to achieve such a high yield. How much you should expect to make? Rocket Finance offers a 10% daily APR on your investment as of today. And at the current rate, you should make around 50x on your investment if the money compounds daily in 1 year. But high rewards equals big risk. Now let's dive deep into this project, and I will rate Rocket Finance on a scale of 1 to 10 to see if it's a good investment using multiple important criteria that I use to invest in crypto projects. First, does the project have an audit? Has their code been reviewed by a white hat hacker? No, at the time of recording this video, there is no audit on Rocket Finance. They say that at some point they will, but they are just words at the moment, so I give 0 points for this. How do the charts look like? The main token of Rocket Finance name, as you can guess, Rocket is getting closer to its peg of 1-1 to Fantom, so that's good. Now the rewards token named S-Rocket is not looking good at all. Since the day of the launch, it lost over 99% of its value. There is little to zero chance that the token will bounce back, so I give them 0.5 points for the charts. Is the team anonymous? So here on Twitter, we see that yes, they are KYC by 0xguard. That's a good sign. As I said in previous videos, if a project is KYC, it means that if they rug or anything like that, their identity will be revealed and action could be taken against them. And so far, all of the Tomb forks that made a rug did not have any KYC, but there's still a chance it could. For that, they deserve a full point. And on their docs, they present themselves a little. We're a small team for the start, consisting of 3 quality assurance engineers, 1 front-end dev, 1 back-end dev, and 1 marketing specialist. All of us have several years of experience in our field, and we are located in Europe. We all work in the IT industry as our full-time jobs. How about KYC and audit, and why? The founder of Rocket Finance was audited by 0xguard because this is pure benefit for all of us. You find out that your funds are safe, and we get exposure and advertisement on their website. Win-win situation. So here they definitely made a mistake. They mean that they are KYC by 0xguard and not audited because the founder is not a piece of code as far as I know. Do they have a strong community? They have over 1,000 followers in Spark Toro, which is a fake followers audit that indicates that more than 22% of their followers are fake. I believe that's normal, and they did not buy any fake followers. Over 30%, then I would be worried. And I am talking of their Twitter, of course. And they have a pretty normal engagement. Rocket Finance has over 2,100 members on Discord. That's impressive, and over $1.4 million in total value locked in just under 2 weeks. That's good, so I give them a full point. We will now check their domain name. They registered on GoDaddy, which is a reputable domain service, on the 2nd of January this year, and of course their information are masked. So I give them 0.5 points for the domain. Is their product unique? If you watch this channel, you already know my answer. No, it's fork of Tomb Finance, nothing unique here, 0 points. Is there enough liquidity? The market cap is at $380,000, and there are over $290,000 in liquidity. This is really good. So this means that it's easy to buy or sell your token. If there is only small liquidity available, it will be difficult to sell your token when you need to, and can severely impact how much profit you can make. 1 point, the code analysis. So we are here on Token Sniffer, and the automated audit does not look great. Here are the 3 problems. The contract contains ownership functionality, and ownership is not renounced, which may allow the creator or current owner to modify contract behavior, for example. Disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. There can be legitimate reasons for not renouncing ownership. Basically, they said that they want new pools so they can't renounce ownership yet. The owner wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens, which could have a large impact on the token price if sold. And not enough liquidity is locked or burned, which could allow for significant amounts to be removed that could result in a rug pull. So I give them 0 points for this. Are there whales that could dump the price of the token? So on Fantom Scam, we can see that over 500 people hold the token Rocket, and that almost all of the tokens are in the smart contracts. That is good. But here we have 2 big whales, one with more than 4% and one with more than 2% of the tokens. They could dump the price. So I give them 0 points for this. What does our AI predict? At Predir, we have trained an AI using thousands of crypto projects' data, and our AI determined that the future of Rocket Finance is negative. So it does not encourage to invest in this tomb fork. So 0 points for that. So here for the final rating. Out of 10 points, they scored 4 out of 10. Below 5, it's not enough to be considered a good project, meaning it's very high risk to invest here. Is Rocket Finance a scam? We can't know this in advance, but I personally think that it isn't, but we just have to keep in mind that developers behind projects can sometimes be well-intentioned and still, the users or whales can crush the price of the token. Is it a good investment and should you invest here? So nothing here is financial advice, but here's my take. If you gamble around with money you can afford to lose, then Rocket Finance can be a place to invest in as long as you're aware of all the risks involved and you've got no problem to lose your money. In a short term, this tomb fork can be interesting, but it's definitely not a long-term play. But personally, I don't recommend investing here. The risks are too high, and I am more risk-averse. What tomb forks are you invested in and why? Let me know in the comments. If you like our AI predictions, we use an AI to predict the future prices of crypto, and that's accurate 98.7% of the time. We share every day the future prices on my Twitter for free at Colin0x. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to see more in-depth reviews of crypto projects, please drop a like and subscribe.